Good morning, everyone. Today I am going to explain your third chapter, and the chapter name is Number System and Introduction. So, here in this chapter, we will understand about a number system. So, numbers in number system, my first question is what is number system? So, first of all, we will understand that what is a number system. So, its answer is written here. It is a system for representing a numeric value or quantity using a different symbols or digits. It means in a computer, when computer are used numbers for counting something, or numbers are used for calculations. So the numbers that computers use, different types of numbers, we will understand here, and this is also known as a number system. You can also say that computer you can also say that computer always use a four different types of number for our calculations, for our uh, internal calculations, you can say internal representation of numbers. So these four different numbers is known as a number system. So look at here, our first number system is decimal number system, second one is binary number system, third one is octal number system, and the fourth one is hexadecimal number system. So these four are different number system that computer use. So here in this chapter we will understand these all four different types of number system, and also we will learn that how we will convert any numbers to any other number, just like a decimal number to binary number, either binary number to decimal number. So these different conversion we will learn here, and we will also understand how many numbers use a computers, how these all the numbers used in a computer, these all things we will learn here. Now these all the four different types of number, just first number is decimal, binary, octal, and hexa. Look at this table. In this table, this binary is the base is 2. Base means what? Base means the identification of this binary. It means if there any numbers base is 2 written, a base is 2, it means that particular number is a binary number. If any number base is 8 are showing, it means that number is a octal number, 10 means decimal number, and 16 means hexadecimal number. And in binary there are only two digit we will use to represent all the numbers, 0 and 1. We will use only 0 and 1 in binary to represent all the different numbers. In octal we will use 0 to 7, in decimal we will use 0 to 9, and in hexa 0 to 9, and A, B, C, D, E, F. It means here we will use a numeric and some characters to represent numbers. So did four different types of numbers, and there are four different base we have to identify these all the numbers, and which how many digits we will use in different four different numbers, these all the all digits is written here. So with the help of this video, I'm just going to show the video. With the help of this video, first of all we will understand this number system, and after this videos I will explain that how to convert one number system to another number system. And basically these 2 points we will understand here according to your syllabus. The first point is what is number system, how many types of number system we will use, and the second point is how we have to convert one number system to another number system.
In the earlier times, when there were no means of counting, people used to count with the help of fingers, stones, pebbles, sticks, etc. These methods were not adequate and had many limitations. To overcome these limitations, many number systems were introduced with the passage of time, like decimal number system, binary number system, octal number system, hexadecimal number system. A number system is a set of values used to represent different quantities such as number of students in a class or number of viewers watching a particular show, etc. We humans use decimal number system in our day-to-day life, whereas a computer represents all kinds of data and information, text, numbers, graphics, etc. in binary number system. The total number of digits used in a number system is called its base or radix. The base is written after the number as subscript, such as 25 raised to power 10. Okay, first let us start with the decimal number system. The need for counting paved the way to introduce decimal number system in which 0, 1, 2, 3 till 9 are used to form any number. Most of our arithmetic operations are performed with decimal numbers. Decimal number system consists of 10 digits, that is 0 to 9 with the base 10. Each number can be used individually or they can be grouped to form a numeric value. Example 82 minus 256, 52.87, etc. The value of each digit in a number depends upon the following: the face value of the digit, the base of the number system, the position of the digit in the number. Each position represents a specific power of base 10. The rightmost digit of the number is called least significant digit, whereas the leftmost digit is called most significant digit. For example, the number 547 can be represented in the following way: 7 into 10 raised to power 0 units 7, 4 into 10 raised to power 1 tenths equals to 40, 5 into 10 raised to power 2 hundredths equal to 500, total 547. From this we observe the positional value of each digit increases tenfolds as we move from right to left. In the above mentioned example, 5, 4 and 7 are the face values and their place values are hundreds, tenths and units respectively. The place value depends on the position of the digit in the number. Now we will discuss about the various types of number systems that are used in a computer. Okay students, can you quickly recall which number system do we use? Students, now let's find out about the binary number system. The binary number system consists of only two digits, that is 0 and 1. Since this system uses two digits, it has the base 2. All digital computers use this number system and convert the input data from the decimal format into its binary equivalent. Students, do you know that Gottfried Leibniz, a German mathematician, is credited with the invention of the modern binary number system? Now students, why should we use binary? A computer cannot understand human language, rather it understands only the binary code. Therefore, the data is entered into a computer, is converted into its binary equivalent. It further converts the binary result into its decimal equivalent to generate an output.
I hope these all the points is clear to all of you that what is a number system and how many types of number system we have to use here: decimal, binary, octal and hexadecimal number system. So on the next video I will explain these all the number system one by one, and also I will explain a different conversion of a number system. It means number system conversion I will explain on the next video, that how you have to convert a one number system to another number system, and how you will identify a different numbers and their base, and how we will represent these all the numbers. These all things I will explain on the next video. So thank you everyone.